In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect or link Photoshop to ChatGPT. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. This is very easy. Just go to ChatGPT and click your profile picture, then settings, and now apps. You should find the option to explore apps, and this will open this marketplace where you can search for Photoshop here, or in my case, I can see it here. So just click it and you'll find connect. So here we also have some examples of what we can do with ChatGPT. You can just chat with Photoshop. It's a normal chat AI, ChatGPT. For example, send an image and ask Photoshop to blur the background, remove distractions from the background, and much more. So just click here and now click connect. And just like this, Adobe Photoshop is now connected and you can start a chat and start working with Photoshop on ChatGPT. So that's it. You can also go here, click more, and you should find Photoshop here. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.